this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can delete any application from your iPhone 16 Pro Max or any other version of Apple device. So in this case you have to unlock your phone, then you have to decide which one you want to delete. The system process is very classical, it's never changed for many years. So here we go. I want to delete, for example, WhatsApp in this case, or any application. You have to tap that one. You'll see all this chart here is written remove app, the first one, Face ID required. You can put a password to open this application, something incredible and more option. So I hit here, remove application. They ask you confirmation, delete app, remove from home screen, cancel. So I want to delete this one, make it disappear. I hit this one, delete app. One more time, confirmation, delete. So WhatsApp is deleted, is gone. So any app, any game, same way you have to tap, for example, this one, and you see remove app or game. So this is the way you can delete any application from your iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.